Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I will tell you that how to pay PIA ticket on 10% discount fare. First of all, select your desired city. I have selected Peshawar. From Peshawar, the destination sector will be Abu Dhabi. Select your desired date, which is 27th of August. Select the date. Now search the ticket, click on the search option. In the next window you will see the fare, which is 98,000. The fare you will see, which is 98,000 some 200. Click on the next option. Wait for the next window. Continue to sit. In the next window you can put the passenger detail according to the passport detail. Title of the passenger, which is Mr. Gender of the passenger, male or female. First and last name of the passenger. Date of birth of the passenger according to the passport record. In the next step you can select the country of the passenger. Here you can put the passport number of the passenger, passport expiry date according to the passport, and the issuing country name in the next step. Here you can put the serial number of the passenger and also your desired email through which the airline can contact you if the flight is delayed or cancelled. Continue. Continue to the next window. Wait a little bit here. In the next window you can see the contact number of the passenger. Now choose your seat selection. Here choose seat, click on the tab. In the next window you can select the seat number for the passenger. Click on the continue tab here. In the next window continue to payment option. Here you can put the Golootlo token. Now select the confirm ticket option. uh, our reservation completed successfully. You can see here manage booking. Click on the manage booking. Here you can see the fare, which is 98,150 rupees. Now click on the manage booking option, purchase your reservation here. In the next window you can see the option continue to payment. Here you can put the discount token which you have got from the Golootlo and apply on it. You can see the fare, which is 98,150 rupees. If you apply the Golootlo token number here, now you can see the fare, which is 90,193 rupees, which is a very discounted price. Now click on the continue to payment option, then put your credit or debit card detail according to your credit card and purchase the booking for the passenger on discount fare. Thank you for watching the video.